It's meal prep day again. Today I'm gonna prep healthy and high protein breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. For breakfast, I'm making blueberry pie overnight oats, a Greek style salad for lunch, and Ferrero Rocher inspired energy bars for snack, and for dinner, Mexican chicken wraps. And as always, let's start by prepping the breakfast. I add all the ingredients for the overnight oats into these glass jars. First, I add oats, then I add chia seeds, which are a great source of healthy fats and fiber. Next, I add a low-fat Greek yogurt, which is high in protein, and then I add blueberries. I used thawed frozen wild blueberries. Next I add some milk and maple syrup and vanilla extract, some cinnamon, and lastly ground cardamom, which gives it a blueberry pie-like flavor. Then I just mix all the ingredients together. I add fresh blueberries on top. These overnight oats are super creamy and full of flavor, and these take less than 10 minutes to make. I store these in the fridge. Then I start prepping the lunch. First I make the dressing for the salad. I mix together lemon juice, olive oil, Dijon mustard, oregano, salt, and pepper. Then I divide the dressing into glass jars. Next, I add some chickpeas, and Kalamata olives, some quinoa, and crumbled feta, bell peppers, cucumbers, and lastly, cherry tomatoes. I store these in the fridge. Before serving, I just pour the ingredients into a big bowl and toss. Super easy and delicious. For the Ferrero Rocher inspired no-bake granola bars, I mix together oats, crushed hazelnuts, unsweetened cacao powder, and unsweetened hazelnut butter. The one I use is 100% made of hazelnuts, but you could use any nut butter you have. Peanut butter and almond butter work well, for example. Lastly, I add some maple syrup. I press the mixture into a glass container lined with parchment paper. I let it set in the fridge for a couple of hours. Then I cut it into bars. I melted 2 pieces of 80% dark chocolate and I drizzle it on top of the bars. I also sprinkle crushed hazelnuts on top. These are such a fun snack, chewy, chocolatey, and delicious. Then I start making the dinner. First, I let the chicken marinate for about 15 minutes. I made the marinade of garlic-infused olive oil, paprika spice, oregano, ground cumin, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Then I cook the chicken. Next, I add all the ingredients into a big glass container: black beans, corn, bell peppers, chives, and the cooked chicken. And I mix everything together. I store the mixture in the fridge. I reheat it on a pan or in the microwave. I serve it with oat tortillas, lettuce, lime juice, and low-fat sour cream. You could also add some salsa if you like. Super simple and so tasty. And here are all the ready meals. Those were all the meals I meal prepped today. Let me know in the comments what kind of meal prep recipes you want to see next. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. The written recipes are in the description box as always. Enjoy!